Hi, I'm Hillary Shine and I've got good news, Killeen. Everything's a little different this year, but we're still bringing the fall fun. Here's what's on the way. Ghouls, goblins, princesses, and superheroes can start celebrating. Trick-or-treating is allowed for Halloween in Killeen. The usual rules apply, door-to-door between 6 and 8 p.m. Only approach houses with their porch lights on. Never enter a house or a car for a treat. Make sure costumes are flame-resistant and don't impair vision, hearing, or movement. But some new rules should be followed to prevent the spread of COVID-19. First and most important, stay home if you're sick. Wear a protective mask, not a costume mask. Stay outdoors and socially distance. Use hand sanitizer throughout the evening. Finally, wash your hands and inspect all candy before digging in. We want this Halloween to be fun and safe, so beware and take care. It's Fire Prevention Week, and this year's theme is Serve Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen. Cooking is the leading cause of home fires, and not because we're all trying to show off our flambé skills, but because we allow ourselves to be distracted while in the kitchen. When cooking on the stove, there are some good habits you should always use. First is make sure the area is clutter-free before you start. That means moving cookbooks, towels, food packaging, and other flammables at least 3 feet away. Once you get started, make sure to keep the pot handles turned in and lids on. Keep kids and pets away from the stove while it's on or still hot, and never leave the stove on and unattended. The National Fire Protection Association has lots of resources for you and your kids to learn more at nfpa.org. Barktoberfest is finally here, and dogs can look forward to woofing it up this Saturday, October 10th. The in-person fun will be at Killeen Animal Shelter from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. There will be a photo booth, playtime, adoptions, and prizes. You can still participate in a virtual fun run at the Andy K. Wells Hike and Bike Trail between now and October 11th. You have to compete as a team with your dog. If you don't have one, you can borrow a shelter dog. The race is free, but you'll need to register each pup racer for a wag bag. Bring your best friend for some furry fun at Barktoberfest. Speaking of animals, Killeen Animal Shelter is working hard to place dogs and cats with forever families. First, we have hours every day of the week to make it more convenient for you to visit and meet the animals. We place pictures and descriptions of all of them online so you can see who needs a home and who you want to come meet. We're participating in lots of adoption events, including the Downtown Farmers Market on Tuesdays and partnering with Petco in Harker Heights. We've even started a Pet of the Week feature on social media to increase interest and exposure. Please consider adopting your next pet from Killeen Animal Shelter. Put the annual Fall Festival on your schedule October 24th from 5 to 8 p.m. This year, we're keeping it moving with a scavenger hunt at locations all over town. You can drive through or hop out for candy, games, activities, and more outdoor socially distanced fun. Check Facebook for more details soon. Youth Winter Sports are registering now through December 18th for play January through March 2021. Girls basketball is for players 7 to 12. Co-ed soccer is for ages 4 to 15. Registration is $50 per player and can be done online at KilleenTexas.gov/leagues or in person at the Family Rec Center. The City of Killeen Municipal Election will be on your November ballot. COVID pushed the election from its usual May date to November. You'll have the opportunity to elect the mayor and 3 city council members. You'll also decide Proposition A, which asks voters to consider changing the additional sales tax used to general government purposes. Early voting is October 13th through 30th, including Saturdays and Sundays, and you can vote at any Bell County early voting location. There are just 2 Killeen locations, Killeen Community Center and the Bell County Courthouse Annex. Election Day is November 3rd, and you can vote at any election site in Bell County. Go to KilleenTexas.gov/election for a sample ballot, voter guide, and a full list of voting locations and hours. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, your annual reminder to take steps to protect your increasingly digital world. This year's theme is Do Your Part, Be Cyber Smart. Protecting your digital profile starts with you. Use the built-in security features on devices, update them regularly, use different passwords in each system, and change them often. And don't store credit card numbers and personal information. Be cautious when joining wireless networks. I know this seems like a loss of convenience, but the inconvenience caused by losing your identity to a cyber thief is way worse. Want more? Go to KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10 for all things city. Happy fall from Good News, Killeen.